occasionally, but rarely, you have to work with pitch. And if you use soap, it doesn't really have the power to get rid of it. I'll just show you. So give your hands a wash with some soap first. Get any loose muck off. But you can see it doesn't touch the pitch. I'm going to peel some off, but there'll be nothing left of you. So a good thing to use is butter. So I've got some butter. Don't need much, just about the size of a piece of soap. And work it into your hands. And it strips. Gonna need a bit of work on that one, just to show you. It strips away somehow magically the pitch. You can see it going there. The butter gets mankier and dirtier. And you just keep working it round until it goes black, and then you just do another bit, and within 2 or 3 goes with some soap, any pitch or bitumen type stuff you've got on your hands will be gone. The more stubborn stuff like this will take some individual work, but it can save you hours. And if you haven't got any the various chemical treatments for this, or you just don't want to use the chemicals, you can use pitch to get the worst of it. You can use butter to get the worst of it off. There you go, you can see how that's doing whatever magic it does now, and it's just turning it to liquid. So there you go. If you get your hands covered in pitch, a bit of butter, margarine does it as well, most margarines, and then you just got to wash the butter off your hands instead. Little case study, got a bit on my forearm there. Just using that, the butter's sort of running out of whatever magic it's got, but if we work that, you can see how it just lifts it away. It says, ugh, makes it grimy and horrible. And there you go, just about gone. Scrape my nail through, you can see, there you go, just about lifted it off. So yeah, there you are, like I say, bit of butter, gets rid of pitch, bitumen every time, and all I've got to do is deal with the butter